YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So we got a quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. This is the no booster pump required pressure cleaner. It actually runs off your typical suction style hose, a bigger hose, not that real skinny one that you're used to with most pressure side cleaners. So today we're going to actually show you guys and explain to you the significance of the float that is located on the back of the cleaner. So these floats are just a hollow piece of plastic. The whole purpose of this float is to make sure that it keeps the front end of the cleaner down. With these cleaners, most pressure cleaners are only going to be a two-wheel drive, which it's all done in the front end of the cleaner. So, and when this cleaner starts driving, with the pressure and everything going on, sometimes you'll see it actually start to do some wheelies. And so, to avoid wheelies, this float needs to be sealed and installed properly to make sure that it adds that extra float to keep those two front tires on the ground while it's moving along in your pool. So if for some reason you do find your pressure side pool cleaner driving around doing some kind of wheelie, start with your float. That's gonna be your first thing. This, like I said, it's hollow. So with it, if it has any cracks or breaks in it and it fills with water, it's going to weigh the cleaner down, which is going to give even more pressure to this back end of the cleaner, which is going to make it wheelie even more. So if you start to notice that, it's time to replace this. As you guys can see, to remove it, it's just kind of a wiggle back and forth and pull at the same time to remove it from the feed mass tube here. It has its own little spot on the tube to feed back on. There is no, as you guys can see, it looks like threads. There's no actual threading with the float itself. It merely helps keep that float on that feed mass. So the whole point is to just kind of, as you're pushing forward, it kind of has like a beveled thread that just makes it a little bit more difficult to slide back off. But when you get your new float, it's just as easy as just making sure that you guys kind of push it on. And you typically want to push it on almost all the way. I like to keep about a finger's length between the feed mast and the float itself. Again, if you see that you're still running wheelies with a new float on it, you're going to want to kind of play around with the positioning of this, and then it could actually be something further, but typically this is what you're going to be looking for if you're seeing your cleaner do any kind of wheelies. So really simple to be able to replace this and put back in. We got links in the description to purchase these direct from ePoolSupply. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. We've got a ton more videos coming your way with this cleaner as well as all the other cleaners that are on the market. I appreciate you guys watching. Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.